Today, let's learn about how to install Windows on a laptop. So here I have the Latitude 7470. It is an i7 6th generation. So we want to see how we can install Windows on this kind of laptop. This is a Dell machine, as you can see, Dell Latitude 7470 here. So we want to learn how to install Windows on a Dell machine. So remember, there are different ways of installing Windows on different kinds of laptops. Dell has its own way, Lenovo its own way, and also HP its own way. Even the other kinds of models, because different ways of installing a machine, Windows. So for you to install Windows on any kind of laptop, you need the Windows either in a flash or a CD. So for Dell, for me, I have a flash here. You insert it there, then you power it on. You boot with F12, as you can see, F12. So you press F12 more times until it displays on the screen. As you can see now, it has displayed. This is booting Windows on a Dell machine. We use F12. After that, you know the name of your flash. You look it here. So my flash is there. I select it. I press enter. Then you give it some times for loading. This is how to install Windows on a Dell machine. You press F12 continuously or simultaneously. So it takes like 30 seconds or 1 minute to configure and load. Sasa imeleta. So after it has brought this one, you just wait for it. It will be loading. After that, it brings here the blue screen of Windows. Then you will select your language according to where you are. Like for instance, we are in Kenya. Those who are in Kenya, we know English. It's okay with us. We select US, then we press next. Then install now. The setup is starting. It is a very simple step. You can do it if you have genuine Windows at home or anywhere where you are. Then you select the type of Windows you want. For me, I want the DLA. I press next. After that, I accept the terms and condition. Then I select next. Then I come here. I select custom Windows only. Custom Windows only. Then I will delete these files because they are not necessary for me to install a new Windows. So after I have pressed here, inaniletea Windows couldn't create new partition or location. For more information, see the setup log files. So what I need to do, I need to go back. I go back to the BIOS system. I go back to the BIOS system by pressing F2. F2. I'm pressing F2. I go to the BIOS system. I do some simple setups there for the Windows to accept to install. Yeah. So when I'm here, this is the BIOS system I'm talking about. You can see. I hope you're seeing it clearly. I come to boot sequence. I look at yeah, these are the partition tables of the Windows, legacy and UEFI. So in my case, I need to come here to secure boot first. I confirm. I check if the secure boot is on. So it is disabled. So what I need to do, I need to go back here to boot sequence and select legacy. After I've selected legacy, I apply. Then I save the changes. After saving the changes, I come here. The legacy option is enabled. Yeah, it is enabled. So meaning my flash is in legacy form. So after that, I can exit and boot the process again. Yeah, I'm now booting it using F12. F12. So if your flash is in legacy form, your Windows, you need to disable the secure boot and disable the UEFI mode and then select legacy. So my flash is here, USB storage device. It is in legacy boot, as I've told you. I press next. Give it some few moments. It processes the process. Yeah, it is fun and it is easy. Anybody can do it. You can see a small hyphen here beeping. So it means the flash has accepted. So it has now brought the logo of Windows. This is the latitude 7470. All Dell machines, for you to boot, you use F12 to boot. And if you want to check the BIOS system, you use F2. So here we select English, United States, then press next, install now. I select my kind of version I want, I press next, then I accept, then I press next. Then here you select the second one, custom, install Windows only, that one, then next. So after that, the Windows process will start. Now the Windows installation is in progress. So we give it like 5 to 10 minutes and it will be done. Then we go to the next step. Yeah, Windows installation for machines is very easy. It is not a complicated story, but you need to make sure the Windows you are installing is a genuine version of Windows, because nowadays we don't do cracked versions. We install the Windows genuinely, and so that we are not disappointed, because when you use cracked versions of Windows or even Microsoft Excel Office, you realize that some activities will be blocked when you're using your laptop. Some activities will be blocked. We also have some repair laptops here for our clients. So we do a lot of things. We do repair, like this one here. We need to put the keyboard. We need to put the screen. The motherboard is already there. So we need to put the keyboard and the screen and the battery, and it will be okay. This one is a Lenovo machine. It's a Lenovo machine. Our Dell is installing Windows is at 53-54%. We need to let it go up to 100%. We do a lot of things. This one is a HP 840. It is a broken screen. We replace laptops, screens, and other stuffs like batteries, keyboards, and everything. So we are technicians indeed. The process is still on. So you need to connect your laptop to the charger also, so that it does not shut down when the process of installing the Windows. Yeah. you must ensure that the power is connected so that your battery does not go off when installing the windows.